Welcome back to another wonderful week of our Christmas music workshop. Today, we're going to learn probably the easiest of our Christmas songs, I Saw Three Ships. Now, what makes this easy is that we only have two chords to play in this one. And so you can play this in multiple levels very, very simply and have a lot of fun with it too. It's very accessible. So the two chords are a C chord and a G7 chord. Now, the C chord, there's two ways to play it. If you've learned your full chords by now, you know that it uses three fingers. The B string, first fret, the D string, second fret, and the A string, third fret. And we use fingers 1, 2, 3 for this one. And then we try not to hit our E string, the low E string, when we strum this one. Okay, that's our C chord. Now the other way to play this one, and this one is one of the ones that makes it so simple, is that you take away fingers 2 and 3. You just use finger 1 on the B string, first fret. Strum the top 3 strings, the highest 3 on your guitar, and you have a C chord there. Isn't that pretty cool? And so that's the easy way of doing it. And so this is how I teach students to play a C chord at first, because it's a super accessible way to do it. Then our next chord after that is a G7 chord. Now, from the easy way, let me just show you this way. We're going to take our first finger, we're going to move it down to the E string, and we're going to strum those same 3 strings again. Okay. Now, if you know your full chords, then you know that you have your first finger here on the E string, second finger up on the A string, second fret, and third finger on the the low E string on the third fret. Okay. Now, as we play this one, it does go kind of fast, but our strumming is pretty simple on this one. And so the way we would do it, we just do nice downstrokes. You have to change pretty fast between the G7 and the C though. That is what's going to take you just a little bit of practice. Otherwise, it's going to be a fun song and a pretty easy one too for you all to learn. And so just to give you an idea, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. And that's all you have to do with it. See how I was just strumming down the whole time? There's a lot of reasons for this, but we want to make sure that we're able to get going with the strumming on it. Second of all, it's just making sure we get the chord changes in there, and that's what we have to do in this song. So I hope you enjoy this one. Have fun with it. Play along, sing with other people, and have a wonderful time making music this Christmas. Bye-bye.